Hi guys, so we're back. Now I'm going to teach you on how to use Stable Diffusion with Ebsynth to make the style transfer uh, a bit more concise, and you don't have any flickering going on. So unlike the other videos that we have done, we're rendering hundreds of frames in Stable Diffusion. Now we're just going to render keyframes or keys. So let me show you. So you need simple division, of course, and if you don't have this one, you can go to my channel or go to the link below. You will see a tutorial on how to install it. And Ebsynth, you need that, and video editing software that can export image sequences. Okay, so let's start. So now I render the animation of mine using After Effects in 3D in image sequences in JPEG. Okay, so how did I do that? You go to your to reach my other channel, Kim Salim BFX. You can subscribe to that one. So in order to render image sequences in After Effects, just go to the completion, and then Control M to render, and change the output module to JPEG sequences, and that's it. So once you're done with that, um, we're going to do the method that we have done in the earliest part, is to reduce the frames by half. So we're going to remove the oh oh no, I think we don't need to do it here. Let me think if we need to do. Yes, we don't need to do it here because we're going to use Ebsynth to render the frames for us. We just need a few of them. Okay. So once this is turned up, we need to clean this up. So we're going to need a folder. This is important for Ebsynth video. Paste that, and then we're going to need key. Then in key, that's where you put the keyframes created in Stable Diffusion, right? So that is the setup for files. So right now, if we go to ebsynth.com, the link is below. Just press download, and it will ask you email, or you can just no thanks, just start the download. Okay, once that is out, it will give you files. Just extract them. Just create a folder and extract the file there. No need to install. Okay, so here's a sample project. So as I said, keys and video, same same as this one. So this should be keys. Okay, so now we're back here um in our Stable Diffusion. So currently my checkpoint is on Spiderverse. Okay, we can find this one. So go to image, and and we just need to find the keys. So keys are the frames that is the reference for Ebsynth to transfer to the other frames. So you can this can be done by just selecting one frame and just doing one keyframe, but in this case, since there is a change of frame like this one, so at first, as you see, the glasses are on my face, hiding my eyes. So if we're going to use just one, Ebsynth will not have any data when my eyes is visible. Alright, understand? That includes the hand. Okay. So I think we just need four of them, four keys. Okay. So we can start with this one for the first key, and then I'm going to find where the part where my hands show up. Okay. So here is my hand showing up. I'll grab it there. It's our second key. Then we're gonna find a scene where my eyes show up. I'm gonna grab this one. Oh no. I will grab the one with my eyes glowing. I will grab this one. And then I will just grab this for the last frame. Okay. So you can copy that. So as you can see, we have four keys here that we're going to put in ABC. So now we're going back to Stable Diffusion. So back here on Stable Diffusion, go to the go back here to the go back here to the Stable Diffusion, go to your keys, find one. I think going to use this one, and then I'm going to click interrogate clip. So as you can see, this now created the prompt for us. So it takes a while, so you just have to wait. So we can remove toy animation. I'm going to add the token for Spiderverse. Right there, Spiderverse style. I will link the model in the description below, so don't worry about that. So after this one, we're going to copy this, the created prompt. We will go to the script, image to image alternative test. Going to uncheck these check boxes. We're going to do 36. So I really don't understand these two steps, but these are the numbers that chosen by the other creators, and it works for me. Okay. And then we're doing this so that uh, the output will not be far away uh, from the video that we are inputting. Okay. So right now, we will going to play with the denoising strength, or I think we can generate first. So as you can see, it's nowhere near our image. but he gets the prompt. A man with blue eyes, but you can see the eyes here, and then okay, it's just too. It is just too far away. So just because coordinating strength is too far or higher. So we must lower this. That's by 0.5, and the safety scale is by 21. So the other strength, if we move too higher, it will move away from the image to our image, but will make use of this of the prompt. So and the CFG scale is the uh, almost as the same, but it will be more heavily based on this one. You can match the landscape. Okay. If we can match, okay, that's good for me. Now we can start again. So after a bunch of nice, so I added this one. I identify the urgent to have a good shading and lighting, and then I bump up the sampling step 39. I make this 23 and 0.39. So I think I am good with this. So after you chosen this, take care to make the seeds to make the seeds the same for the other keeping. So now we can send to extras. Scale this. And just going to display 2 times. Upgrade. Okay. So so after we're done with table diffusion, here I'm going to resize the images to the same size of the frame. So I'm using uh, Photoshop. So I just drag the keyframes I get earlier. Then I will just insert the created images from table diffusion. So I did this because so that the keyframe numbers are still the same, right? Okay, because I just needed in Ebsynth. So after done with that, So after that's done, I'm going to open up Ebsynth. So right now, Ebsynth is so this is my third time using it, and I'm still not aware of all of the settings. I just used it as it is. So this is a disclaimer. I think this will be a fail video, but I just want to share on my experience on how I first did this. So this is the first time using Stable Diffusion with Ebsynth. But so I think we're going to have a problem with the streaks because it's showing on the keyframe. So I think on the second video that I will do for Ebsynth and Stable Diffusion, before I do the compositing with other elements, create I will just use it first on the raw asset. Okay, so here we are in Ebsynth. So what you're going to do is you just going to drag the video to video, then keyframes, then keys to keyframe. Then it will auto detect and just don't do anything. And you're just going to run off and then it will generate three folders. And as you can see, it's now generating the sequences. So you can see it's now generating the sequences. Okay, here, let me see. More hitting it. So I'm excited. So how this will look. Then the second one. So you can see hitting. Okay, I think this can work, but let's see. Okay, so we will get back. Okay, thank you. So we're done with the uh, with Ebsynth. So here are the output. So I did multiple key here, and because I think this would be a fail, and I think I will create a part 2 on this part 2. It is a failure because I did not account for the lightning. So we will have distortions. So because as you can see in our keyframes, I have lightning on some of the face, and because lighting is as you can see on the original, lighting is random. So some lightning would become like a distortion. So I think that will be a fail. But wait for part 2 and we will try it again. But okay, continuing, this is the workflow. So after done with Ebsynth, just import all the output. So once you're done importing, just drag one layer or one of the imported sequence to the composition, and you can just delete. I did that because to have a similar um, settings with all of this. So just drag them all here. So this is just a matter of lining this up. Okay. So our first key is our first key is 0. So that would be 0 up to 19. This we can I just make the composition longer. Okay, so our first sequence is up to 19. So we're going to use this up to 18. So that we can take down these opacities. Okay, so that it will merge better. Okay. So next one is 19. So here 18, here is the 19. Up to 6. So we go to here and we can create a opacity here again. So again, as I mentioned before, the the bad layers here is because of the unaccounted random electricity that is on the original. Okay. So on the next tutorial on this workflow, I will not do this again. That's the reason why we have that images. So so that is the way on how to compile this. Okay. So just do it for the rest of the thing. So after you're done arranging it, then there you go. You can render it out like this one. So that's it. So this just a first try. So I think this is a failure because too much going on the frame. So we're going to do the effects. I would suggest that before adding the effect or other elements, you must first do the raw file with no effects. You must change the style there, then just add the effects from there. So on the next try, I will show that. So thank you for our
trial and error on stable diffusion and Ebsynth. So I think this is a good test. On some of the frames, I think it's good. So take around. Thank you.